Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone from overheating when you've installed the new iOS 18. So it's been now 3 weeks since iOS 18 has been launched, and if you've installed it on your phone, you might have noticed that your iPhone is getting hot or is overheating. So let me show you 3 things which you can do to stop it from overheating or getting hot. So the very first action which you can take is by updating your iOS. So today is the 4th of October and Apple have released a new iOS version which is 18.0.1. So if you go into settings, then general, then software update, here you'll be able to update your iPhone to 18.0.1. Now there are some bug fixes and security fixes within this iOS update, so make sure you have updated your phone to the latest iOS. After you've updated your phone, go ahead and test if your iPhone is still overheating. If it is, then let me show you the second step which you can do. So the second step which you can take is by switching off background refresh on your apps. So background refresh basically means the app will basically look in the background while the app is not active for any new data. So if it's an app like WhatsApp or Snapchat, then it'll keep looking for new messages. So let me show you how to turn this off. So first you want to go into settings, next you want to go into general. Now here you want to scroll down until you see background app refresh, go ahead and tap on it. And now at the top here where it says background app refresh, you want to go ahead and tap on that and you want to basically switch it off. So now once you switch off background app refresh, your iPhone will stop looking for any new data while your app is not active. So this will basically stop it from overheating or making your phone hot. Now, if that step doesn't work, then the third action is to turn off your location app. So let me show you where you can find this. So first you want to go into settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see privacy and security, which is right here. From here you want to go ahead and tap on location services. As you can see, all of these apps are using location. So to prevent your iPhone from overheating or getting hot, you want to go ahead and switch off location services. As you read, location services will be disabled for all the apps, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be in temporary restored if you use Find My iPhone to enable lost mode. So we'll go ahead and turn that off. And now location services has been switched off. Now you can go ahead and test if your iPhone is getting hot or overheating. Hopefully by following these steps, your iPhone will perform much better and it'll stop overheating or getting hot on iOS 18. And there you go, that is how to fix your iPhone from overheating on iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.